You would sleep through your own hanging, Jack.
I'll just assume they'd wake me.
There's only 1 hour before daylight, Jack. 1 hour to escape the hangman's noose.
Escape? My favorite two-syllable word. You have a plan?
Always. Just follow my lead, eh?
Hey, you! Be careful. The guards are all around here. Just chain your attacks and you can beat them easily. Now, quick! Behind you! You've been spotted!
Are you crazy to think you can battle me? I am ready to hear you beg.
That's your best. Things are just not looking good for you, mate.
Very nice footwork there, mate. There's a rope over there that'll get you up onto the platform above. Then it's easy to get you across the chasm. Best of luck, stranger. God bless you. Somebody help me.
Some of these stupid guards think their crack hands at dueling. Just remember to block and wait for a real good moment to strike. Thanks, mate.
Give up, foolish one! Hope you enjoyed that, mate.
Someone told me that all the loot the guards stole from us is stashed in a hidden room above the armory. Seems a shame to be locked up like that. if you know what I mean. Cheers, me hearty! There must be a way out of here. Someone show it to me. Am I to rot here? No. You on the wall, don't you know?
Now I put Big Hurt on you all over!
Perhaps I've just gotten too good.
Bother yelling.
Remember my face, or you'll taste this blame fool!
You are disappointing.
Soon I cut you into food.
Did you take a wrong turn out of the scullery? You'll remember this as the day that you were defeated by Captain Jack Sparrow.
I'm going mad here! Free me!
Someone free me!